Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video features a mail call from my Canadian diecast buddy Neil Cummings from beautiful British Columbia, Canada. Neil had the foresight to mail this to me while I was in Canada on the Atlantic coast on my recent visit. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find Neil's YouTube channel and check out all of his work. But today, I'm going to focus on what he's packed in this box of goodies, starting with a Hot Wheels custom Volkswagen hauler. I've never even seen one of these before. It's got dual engines up front on the cab. Special flame job. I like these colors. Blue glass, and you look down inside. Looks like an RV in there. Pretty cool start. Here comes a Hot Wheels bullwhip. Kind of a radicalized buggy of some sort. It's got some aggressive lines on it. That could be a Gaslands build. Here's a Land Rover Series 2, also by Hot Wheels. The windows folded down. Got a surfboard in the back. Ready to hit the trails or the beach. Nice one. Hot Wheels 1940 Ford. Neil likes his old classics. We did a buddy build last summer. We picked any car from the 40s. Here's a 68 Camaro. Custom job, all juiced up. Got some extra features on it. Also new for me. Oh, but this one is not. It's a Porsche 911 Speedster. Maisto made this one. You can never have too many Porsches, and I know that'll come in handy in a future anniversary build. This one's beautiful in red. Thank you, Neil. Here's a 56 Corvette by Hot Wheels. You can tell 56 by the headlights. And that's the third convertible already. That's how I like to drive on the Autobahn too. Top down. Here's a 93 Ford SVT Cobra. Neil is bringing the fire today. There's a lot of muscle here on the bench already. Oh, the hood pops up. Big stonking engine in there. Nicely painted and deckled. I like that. It's time for another Porsche. This is a 928, and it must be before Hot Wheels had the license, because it's just called a P928. It says turbo on the hood. There's no Porsche markings on there, but it's unmistakable. Here's a 71 Chevy Vega. Another Maisto. That's got the period correct paint job on it too, remember back in the day? Here's an 82 Toyota Supra. That's a nice looking casting. I don't always know what I'm going to do with these when I just first handle them, but they'll all get their turn on the bench at some point. A Hot Wheels Ferrari F50. I've got a summer road trip buddy build coming up with Eddie from Simple Customs. The theme is any Ferrari. There's another Porsche. It's a Cayenne Turbo. Good for Matchbox. They had a license, so the hood badge is prominently displayed on this one. That's the family Porsche. This is a special Hot Wheels Premium. It's an 85 Chevy Astro van, celebrating 100 years of Disney. Got a Lion King motif on the side, dual parachutes out the back, and wheelie bars. It's a racer. This is a Matchbox Morris Minor Saloon. Another classic car from the UK, but it would be a rare sighting here in Switzerland. And another oldie but goodie, a 36 Auburn Speedster 851 by Matchbox. Nice selection, Neil. I really like what you put in the box for me. Next is a Hot Wheels Toyota Land Cruiser 80. That looks like it'll get you over any trail that you might encounter. And the very popular 83 Chevy Silverado. It's been a long time since I've done a custom truck, so I might pull that out sooner than later. Here's a Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Nice luxury sedan. And another Porsche. It's the tuned 911 Turbo. Hot Wheels, what have you done messing with this? It's cute, I'll give you that much. I'm going to use this in the April Four Horsemen mini monster trucks build. It'll sit right up on top. Neil's included some of his customs in this box too. Let's start with this one. I carefully unwrapped it. It's a post-apocalyptic war rig. Look at that, clearly a mashup of several different vehicles. Big tractor tires on the back, tank treads up front, adequately weaponized. Outstanding weathering and rusting, Neil. And it's hauling this tanker that's probably filled with maple syrup, seeing as it's being exchanged between Canadians. Outstanding work on these, Neil. I will display these proudly. I'm working on a new jumbo-size scorched earth diorama. That's where this will go. These are the last two in the box, and they're very carefully wrapped in paper towel inside some bubble wrap. That's gotta mean they're very special. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the summer road trip buddy build that Neil did with me last year. We both worked on this Hot Wheels 49 Merc, and we both did a flame job. What a beautiful one. Expertly done, Neil. You are very gifted at this. Tremendous job. And the very last item in this mail call is a Porsche. This was Neil's entry to my MLC Porsche 4 Anniversary Invitational for 4 years on YouTube for Maple Leaf Customs. Everybody had to do a Porsche in any way and pay it forward. Thanks for sending this special one to me, Neil. It'll be another prize display piece. Here they are all laid out. Thank you, Neil. And thanks to all of you for tuning into my channel again today. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.